welcome to my channel again. This is Noye Cynthia YouTube channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for you to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to unbox our air fryer. So guys, this is the air fryer, Moulinex air fryer. Though this air fryer was gifted to me from a friend in Luxembourg. So guys, today I will be unboxing this air fryer. So watch till the end. So guys, I'm so happy because this air fryer will make my cooking so easy. Its preset cooking modes are fries, meat, chicken, shrimps, fish, pizza, vegetable, dessert. So it comes with a lot of benefits. It's gonna make my cooking so easy for me.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
So guys, this is the removable glare. This is where you put whatever you want to cook or fry on top, then you continue.
Every day, I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me. Respect.
So guys, this is the manual book that provides instructions and guidelines on how to use the air fryer.
You're gonna need some therapy.
So it's time for me to bring out the air fryer. Oh my goodness. There you go.
Next to me, I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want.
Wow! This is the... Oh my goodness, guys, see what I have here. Oh my god. Wow! Guys, see what I have here.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So guys, this is the preset cooking modes. This is the fries, the meat, the chicken, shrimps, fish, pizza, vegetable, and dessert. And also this is the temperature display, this is the timer display, cooking timer setting. So guys, this is the air fryer that was given to me by my best friend in Luxembourg. So thank you for seeing this video as I'm done unboxing this air fryer.